Did you know that organizations implementing 5S methodology can increase productivity by up to 40% and reduce workplace accidents by 50%? Yet many businesses still struggle with inefficient workplace organization. Organizations without structured workplace management face critical challenges: wasted resources, increased safety risks, and reduced operational efficiency. Cluttered workspaces lead to lost productivity, higher error rates, and unnecessary inventory costs. Companies experience decreased employee morale, longer production times, and compromised quality control when workplace organization is neglected. For individuals, poor workplace organization creates daily frustrations. Employees waste time searching for tools, experience higher stress levels, and feel overwhelmed by disorganized work environments. Teams struggle with inconsistent processes, reduced collaboration, and decreased overall workplace effectiveness. This transformative course develops master practitioners of workplace organization. Through practical exercises, participants learn the 5 core principles: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Master techniques for workspace optimization, visual management, and continuous improvement. Practice strategies for creating and maintaining efficient, safe, and productive work environments. Organizations report powerful outcomes: 35% reduction in workplace waste, improved safety standards, and significantly enhanced operational efficiency. Teams develop consistent workplace management practices that drive continuous improvement and create a culture of excellence. Participants gain immediate tools for workplace transformation, develop lasting habits of organization, and learn to create more efficient, safer work environments. These skills translate into improved productivity, reduced stress, and more successful professional practices. Don't let workplace chaos hold back your potential. Master the 5S methodology and transform your organizational effectiveness. Enroll now to join professionals who understand that a well-organized workplace is the foundation of business success.